We are here on the NEXCON Global Conference for Smart Manufacturing, and we are looking forward to do two things. One is we have a perspective on how intelligent factories look like, especially from an application point of view. And then the other thing is it's a pleasure to have Siemens with us, so it will be a joint perspective from Microsoft as well as from Siemens. So what we want to do today is we want to not just focus on technology, but we want to focus on the question how technology will change our life, and more importantly, how you have to deal with this and how this will succeed going forward.
Thank you for handing over, Sebastian. Today we're going to take a look inside a Siemens factory, and to introduce you the products behind that smart factory and intelligent factory, and to reply to the use cases, I would like to introduce you our excellent portfolio. So here you see also bridges, which are in Rotterdam, and this is a use case, as well as Sebastian mentioned, it's about reliability and uninterrupted, yes, in that case, power consumption.